Hi everyone, welcome back to Hannah's Kitchen Corner. It's time for the holiday season. Let's make some Biscoff Truffles. They're easy to make and only take a few ingredients. These cookie butter truffles are no bake treat, simply delicious and easy recipe, and the results are amazing. They can also be used for gifting your neighbors or your loved ones for this holiday. For this recipe, we need 2 packets of Biscoff biscuits, Biscoff cookie butter, 8 ounces of cream cheese softened, and semi-sweet chocolate chips for the coating. First, we have to crumble the Biscoff biscuits, place them in a food processor and pulse it few times and then transfer to a bowl. Add softened cream cheese and you can mix the ingredients together until a smooth dough forms. If you find the mixture to be too crumbly or dry, you can add a bit more cream cheese or Biscoff cookie butter. The dough should be soft and shiny. Grab spoonful of dough and you can roll between your hands and you can place it on top of a baking sheet lined with a parchment paper. Place the tray in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. The next process I am doing is melting the dark chocolate in the double boiler. You can always use white chocolate as well. You can do this process in the microwave too. I added 2 tablespoons vegetable oil and melt the chocolate. Once the chocolate melt is ready, you can place the truffles in the melted chocolate. Lift and let the excess chocolate drip out and you can place in a baking sheet lined with a parchment paper. If you want to drizzle cookie butter and want to just top with cookie crumbs, make sure to do so right after you dip them in the chocolate so they stick on top of the truffles. Let the truffles sit in the refrigerator for 30 minutes before serving. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you will try this at home and enjoy with your family and friends. I'll see you soon back with another exciting video. Bye. Take care.